How to add your own music to Instagram story. If you want to add your own music to Instagram story, first of all launch open the Instagram app, then head over to your story. Now go ahead and click a picture or upload one from your gallery. After that, tap on the Your Music option. Now over here you want to simply search for the music that you want to add. If you have already added your original audio, you can tap on the original audio option over here and then simply select one. However, if you do not have it added to original audio, then as you can see, there's no way to put your own audio over here. So instead, what you want to do is launch open any video editing app such as CapCut. Now open a new project. After that, you want to tap on the audio option. Now go ahead and select an audio from your device. Once you have done the editing, tap on the export option. Now this video will be exported with the audio. After that, launch open Instagram and now go ahead and upload that video that you just created. In this way, you can easily add your own music to Instagram story. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.